Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to request your full transaction history with RIA Money Transfer using their Help Center. This is perfect if you want an official record or need a summary for your past transfers. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to your browser and type in Request Your Transaction History RIA. Step 2. Look for the result titled Request Your Transaction History RIA Help Center and click it. Step 3. On the page, scroll down and click How to Request Your Transfer History. Then tap Click here to complete the form. Step 4. Now you'll be taken to a form where you need to enter your name, email, and other required details to confirm your identity and request. Step 5. Once done, hit Submit, and RIA's support team will process your request and email you the transaction history. Bonus tip. Use the same email that's registered with your RIA account for faster processing and check your spam folder just in case their reply lands there. And that's how to request your RIA money transfer history. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful tutorials. See you next time!